Hi, I'm here with James from Microsoft. Hi James, how are you?
Hi, very good, thank you.
And I understand you've been giving a talk today. Would you like to tell us a little bit more about what you've been speaking about?
Sure, I spoke this morning about modern working, packed audience, which is great to see, and I kind of joked that we were sort of looking into the future with so much going on and the fast pace of change. I thought it would be really good for the audience today to sort of see where we're going next, what's actually coming. So a little bit around how you secure your information, how you collaborate more effectively, business insights, and I have to say the audience seemed to really like it, so I'm very pleased with that today.
And where do you think the future is? I mean, could you give us maybe a brief little overview of where you think everything's going?
Yeah, I think if you look at the way that Microsoft is changing its organization, now we very much focused on being a mobile-first, cloud-first company, and you see that reflected in the way that people work. People today, the first email they read is on their smartphone. The last email they read at night is on their smartphone, and so we're actually looking at mobility from an experience perspective and mobilizing that experience across devices. In the olden days, I kind of joked that if it wasn't Windows, we didn't want to talk to it. But now, we're sort of bringing our technology to iPhone, Android, and of course Windows will be one of the best experiences we can deliver there. So massive change there. And then the cloud was another key transition. Now we're able to actually deliver iteratively enhancements and benefits to our customers, and not just the sort of let's move my email to the cloud or let's move my SaaS application, but new things, the exciting area of machine learning, using big data to get to the small data that really matters and visualizing that in new ways. And those are some of the things that we talked about today, and certainly the conversations afterwards seem to have really resonated with that audience.
Excellent. It sounds brilliant, and it's obviously exciting times ahead for Microsoft as well with all your new releases coming up.
Well, we kind of joke it's a case of people sort of think that where has Microsoft been? Well, we've been working really hard, and now you're kind of seeing the sort of outcomes of that. I mean, we're getting really excited about the next version of Windows. I mean, I've personally worked at Microsoft for 5 releases, and people say, "Why are you so excited?" I said, "You have to see the idea of Windows running across smartphones all the way through to your tablets, PCs, your desktops, any device, the same Windows, and we will be the first people to do that, and that means that experience is consistent wherever I happen to be, and my applications run across all those devices." This is game changing for any kind of business.
It sounds incredibly exciting. I'm personally looking forward to kind of trying it out myself. When is everything kind of going live? Is there a set date yet, or is it still in the pipeline?
So the way we kind of do things now is that we release very early what we call previews, and so there's a whole bunch of people called the Windows Insiders. They're helping us with Windows. We just recently brought out a preview of the next version of Office. So again, the accountants were very keen to see the new Excel, and a firm favorite there. And so these things are publicly available. They're not kept to the just a few people. So anybody can start to take a look, and we generally listen to the feedback. And when the product is right, then we'll release it. So we've not got any official launch dates as yet, but keep watching, and hopefully we'll be able to publicize those dates as soon as we can.
Oh, it sounds very exciting. Thank you so much for coming to speak to us today. And is there anything at Accountex you're kind of looking forward to seeing next? Are you going to spend the next few days here?
One of the things that I love about Accountex is there's so many partners that work with Microsoft. We've got 30,000 partners in the UK, and to see many of them, delivering great solutions. I'm going to have another walk around and see if I can see some more and catch up with how things are going. So that's my plans for today.
Excellent. Thank you again so much, and hope you have a great few days. Thanks.
Thank you very much. Thank you.